look at me that way. It's hard to say I'll ever leave. The way it always feels the same. It seems to me I've lost a lot. You knew that I would love you then, and all that's left. And all the days they start to fade, and all these hours seem to pass. And every time I try to fall, start to love the things you were. She knew that I would always feel the same for her. But when they ask us how we feel, we'll say all the same things. We'll say we were just two fools, and I will wonder if it's right. We will stop and tell them this when they ask us again tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. So we watch the setting sun and count the clouds up in the sky, with all the words that never came to mind. She starts to realize we're gone. It's funny when things start to change. That's how we feel. We'll say all the same old things. We'll say we were just two fools, and I will wonder if it's right. We will stop and tell them this when they ask us again tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. Can't seem to remember. Was it you or was it I? Was I the one who said those words? Was it I who shut my mouth when you spoke aloud with your eyes? All your words, they came out clear. I just can't seem to see it now. 'Cause there it was and here we are. When I stop and think about you, all I'd see within your eyes was this picture of myself. And maybe that's why I just don't know. 'Cause everything you'd ever said, you had spoken with your eyes. Every word you never say, I had seen within your face. And I had seen within your face. And I had seen within your eyes. And I just can't get my shit together. 'Cause if I did, you'd start to see what it was and who I just can't be, where I know I'll be someday. 'Cause everything I try to hide, I know you'd seen it in my face. And all these lines against my skin, I know they tell my story aloud. So I know we'll never hide it. 'Cause if we like it or we don't care for it, all these thoughts and things we never say aloud, they are painted to our skin. 'Cause everything you never said, you had told me with your face. Every word you never say, I had seen against your skin. And I have seen within your face. And I have seen against your eyes. Everything you'd ever said, you had spoken with your eyes. And every word you never say, I had seen against your face. And I had seen within your face. And I had seen within your